Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm walking you around a bit of a slightly different video. It's a commercial installation video on the Range Rover Vogue. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Other than that guys, let's get started. So at CBS Automotive, we try to do something slightly different on every single install. So I'm going to talk you around the installation that we've carried out. This customer has actually come all the way from Swindon over to us to have work carried out. So this commercial installation is completely hidden away, you can't see anything, and we've actually made not only adding flashing lights to the vehicle, but also making the factory lights flash as well. So on the rear lights, what we've got is the indicator flashing plus the reverse light flashing, and then when you've got your ignition on, the actual sort of side lights also are constantly on, so it looks really, really smart. One of the key things that this customer was after a commercial lighting solution. Rather than putting a light bar on this vehicle, he wanted it to look stock, wanted it to look hidden, and that's exactly what we've achieved with this solution. So if you're interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, drop us a line. In terms of the system that we've got at the front, what we've added in is 8 flashing lights. We've got amber and white in the front grille. They're all bespokely designed, and we go through all of that during the presentation stage with the customer. So we've gone through all of this during the consultation. We've decided exactly where we want everything, exactly how we want the flash pattern, and we've kept the customer up to date on how this flashing pattern wants to look on the vehicle. What we've also managed to do is get this light down at the bottom also flashing, and that's actually a factory light that we're using a relay system to allow that to flash. We've got 2 little rocker switches right on the steering wheel column, just on and off, really nice and simple. You've got front and rear lights on, so 2 separate switches there. Nice and easy to access, you just flick them on whenever you want them on, so when the customer is on site needing commercial lighting to stay safe, this vehicle is now equipped with a state-of-the-art system designed, spec'd and then installed by CBS Automotive. So if you're interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, drop us a line, all our links will be below. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.